some legends aren't discovered, they're reborn. Buried beneath layers of earth and time, a forgotten icon awaits. What you're about to witness is more than a simple restoration. It is a grueling battle against the forces of decay. A journey to reclaim a soul of steel and chrome. Stay with us as history is brought back from the brink. The first step, washing away the years of obscurity. With every layer of grime removed, a shadow of its former self emerges. The true challenge is only now being revealed. Now, the deconstruction begins, a delicate mechanical surgery. Each component holds a story of the roads it once traveled. The hands of the craftsman move with purpose and precision, diving deep into the machine's nervous system. Every wire, every connection is a vital piece of the puzzle. The heart of the beast, the engine, requires the utmost care. Its weathered casing shows the marks of a long and storied life. Bit by bit, the motorcycle is stripped to its essential form. A skeleton of steel, waiting for its revival. Even the smallest parts are given meticulous attention. This is where patience and expertise intertwine. Uncovering the hidden power source, a silent heart waiting for a new spark. A modern battery promises to breathe new life into this classic machine. The initial phase is complete, but the true transformation has yet to begin. The focus shifts to the very core of its mechanics. In these weathered hands, rusted metal finds a new purpose. The steady work continues, a rhythm of repair and renewal. The drive chain, the link between power and motion, is carefully inspected. Years of grit and oil are painstakingly cleared away. Attention turns to the rear assembly, a complex system of gears and brakes. The machine is slowly, methodically, taken down to its bare frame. Now, the gearbox is opened, revealing the intricate secrets within. The dark, viscous oil tells a story of intense wear and tear. Each gear is cleaned and examined, ensuring a flawless performance to come. The reassembly of the gearbox requires a surgeon's touch. Now, the craftsman confronts the engine block itself. This is the most critical stage of the entire restoration. Inside this metal heart lies the true spirit of the Royal Enfield. The work is demanding, requiring immense focus and strength. Slowly, the machine gives up its oldest secrets. The entire bike, now a collection of carefully organized parts, a testament to the complexity hidden within a simple form. The long process of rebuilding is about to commence. But first, every single piece must be perfected. The final parts are put back into place, a puzzle coming together. The motorcycle, though still in pieces, begins to feel whole again. The dawn of a new era for this classic machine. The meticulous work on the front end begins. Removing the headlight, the eye of the machine. Inside, a tangled web of wires holds the key to its illumination. Two minds work together, solving the complex electrical puzzle. Their collaboration ensures every detail is perfect. The frame is stripped bare, an act of creation through destruction. Every inch of the old steel is inspected and prepared. The focus shifts to the braking system, a crucial element of safety. Precision here is not just a goal, it's a necessity. The front forks are reassembled, ready to absorb the shock of the road. The suspension system is meticulously put back together. Each component is carefully tightened and aligned. The process is slow, but progress is steady. And now, every single part is laid bare, an astonishing sight. The soul of the machine, deconstructed and ready for its rebirth. The engine block is cleaned, its raw metallic beauty unveiled. The fuel tank, once rusted and dented, is about to be transformed. The old paint, a relic of the past, is stripped away. Beneath it, the bare metal canvas awaits a new identity. The fenders receive the same careful treatment. Every curve is smoothed, every imperfection erased. This painstaking preparation is the secret to a flawless finish. The work is repetitive, almost meditative. Each piece is treated as a work of art. The preparation is complete. The next stage will change everything. A new chapter begins, one defined by color and finish. The old suspension parts are inspected one last time before their transformation. The bare frame is handled with care, the foundation of the entire build. Sanding the fuel tank, smoothing the surface for the paint to come. This is where the vision for the new design starts to take shape. The smaller components are also prepared with the same level of detail. Every piece must be perfect for the final assembly. The moment of transformation has arrived. The spray gun applies a coat of deep, rich black. The frame is reborn, its new form sleek and powerful. The steady hand of the painter ensures a perfect, even coat. Each part is given a new skin, a protective and beautiful layer. The engine components are coated in heat-resistant black. This not only looks good, but will protect the heart of the machine. Even the wheel rims are given a fresh, gleaming finish. The contrast between the old rust and new paint is astonishing. The process continues, part by part. A symphony of black and silver begins to emerge. The final pieces receive their coat of paint. The result is a collection of parts that look brand new. The painting phase is complete. The resurrection is near. The final parts cure, gleaming under the light. The preparation stage continues with the final sanding of the tank. Every surface must be flawlessly smooth. The fenders are given the same meticulous attention to detail. The commitment to perfection is evident in every action. Now, the first coat of paint is applied with a steady hand. The small, triangular side covers are painted a glossy black. Then, the tank receives its transformative coat of brilliant silver. The metallic flakes catch the light, promising a stunning final product. The fenders are also painted silver, creating a cohesive design. The two-tone color scheme of black and silver is established. The wheel rims are given a matching coat of silver. All the painted parts are laid out, an impressive collection. The vision is now a reality. The reassembly can finally begin. The first pieces are joined to the newly painted frame. The rear suspension is carefully installed. Every bolt is tightened with precision. The rear fender is mounted, its silver curve accenting the black frame. Slowly, the form of a motorcycle returns. Each new part adds to the growing sense of completion. The side covers are attached, fitting perfectly into place. The craftsmanship is evident in how seamlessly the parts fit together. The skeleton now has its skin. The reassembly phase begins, a meticulous process of rebirth. The gleaming silver engine case is carefully guided into the frame. Every bolt is torqued to precise specifications. The side panels are attached, their silver finish a beautiful contrast. These small details are what separate a good restoration from a great one. The team works in harmony, each knowing their role. Now, the drive chain is installed, linking engine to wheel. The tension must be perfect for a smooth and safe ride. The gleaming new chain is a symbol of the bike's renewed strength. More components are added to the growing structure. The coordination between the craftsmen is like a dance. The rear taillight is wired up, a beacon of the bike's return. Its bright red lens adds a pop of color to the monochrome design. The rear wheel, now complete with its new tire, is mounted. The machine is starting to look like a motorcycle again. The massive engine block is lowered into place. This is a pivotal moment in the reassembly. The silver chain guard is the final touch on the drivetrain. It protects the rider and completes the look. The bike stands on its own, a proud and complete form. The intricate work on the engine's internals continues. The clutch assembly is reinstalled with expert care. The wiring is painstakingly reconnected, the bike's nervous system restored. The magneto, the source of the spark, is carefully seated. The fan belt is fitted, crucial for cooling the powerful engine. Attention now shifts to the chassis and front end. New bearings ensure a smooth and responsive steering feel. The engine case is sealed, protecting the delicate machinery within. The kickstarter is reattached, ready to roar the engine to life. Even the rubber foot grip is replaced, a small but important detail. The kickstarter mechanism is now fully restored. Final adjustments are made to the engine assembly. The front forks are meticulously reassembled. The two halves are joined, creating a strong and stable front end. The front wheel axle is inserted, another step closer to completion. The handlebars and controls are the final pieces of this intricate puzzle. The build is coming together in a symphony of coordinated effort. The final checks are made, ensuring everything is perfect. The masterpiece is almost complete. A beautiful machine risen from the ashes. The final assembly, bringing the control and elegance back to the machine. The handlebars, the rider's connection to the road, are mounted. The ignition is installed, the key to awakening the beast. Every lever and switch is carefully placed and tested. complex wiring for the headlight is connected with precision. The green wires of the electrical system are neatly organized. This hidden complexity is vital for the bike's function. The silver fuel tank is lowered onto the frame, the jewel in the crown. The iconic Royal Enfield logo gleams with pride. The plush leather seat is the final piece of the main body. And there it is. The transformation is complete. From a forgotten wreck to a stunning masterpiece. Every angle reveals a new layer of beauty and craftsmanship. The brilliant chrome and silver shine under the open sky, a testament to the vision and dedication of its The moment of truth. The engine awakens with a powerful roar. The legend is not